Okay, here we are with Karen the Trout Babe again. This is the 22nd of July. The weather's been really crappy here, so we've been having to pick our spots, but we got a little window of a couple hours here in between storms, so we're going to go out and do our trout thing, see what else we can find, using the artificials again today.
Tide's coming in, we might get something.
Okay. Karen with another trout. Oh, it's a monster. Look at the size of that trout. At least 8 inches. Number 6. She's doing good. I better get going. She's actually beating me today. I gotta step up my game a little bit. We're using these artificial soft plastics. We call them little goldies, a little gold speckled color. They work really well. Alright, go get some more. And Rick has a fish, a little trout. Not a bad trout. I'm slowly catching up. I think I'm 4 behind Karen right now.
How far behind me?
4 fish, I think. I got 4 to catch up. That's a big one.
No, wait. How many have you got? You've got more than me, I think. I must mean that's your number 10, huh? Huh? Oh.
Alright, Rick with another trout. Karen over there had a really nice one, but she lost it.
Because he said let it in the water so I could get the camera.
Okay, I was just being nice.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Fish, and then didn't have a fish.
No, I just played with it.
Okay.
I never took it.
Alright.
That's a nice one.
Nice trout. Not a keeper, but it's getting close. Getting close. Maybe 12. Well, he's about 14 maybe.
Oh, there he goes. Did it hit you?
Yeah.
What happened?
Put the jig out, hit me right in the head.
Oh, did it hook you?
I know. Just hit me with a 1/4 ounce weight, that's all. Coming at me at 100 miles an hour. Trouty got off. He got up to the boat and then he hopped off. So that's the way it goes quite a bit of the time actually with these trout. And there's my little goldie. Gonna go back in the water right now. Karen's got another fish. What is it?
Oh, I like this one.
Oh, it looks like a nice one.
Come on, buddy. Let me have your picture.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. This is a keeper size for next year. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that fish. Hold him up, bring him in the boat and hold him up. Oh, nice trout. That's a big one.
See? Isn't that nice?
That's a big one. Hold him up straight so I can see him. It's going to be slippery.
Yeah, it is. See?
That is a nice fish. Look at that fish.
Beautiful.
Very nice. Okay, get him off the hook. There we go. Oh, he's not a gator trout, but it's a nice one.
He is a nice one. I think that's about the same size as the one I got a while ago. Mine was bigger. That's as big as my first one. Those treble hooks scare me.
He shakes his head. I don't think I'm seeing him right now. Just gives you a little space for your hard bait, Yozuri minnow, 15-inch trout. Don't let go of that rod, kiddo. Nice trout, keeper size for next year.
You betcha.
You hit right at the boat?
Yeah, I could see my lure at the surface, and all of a sudden, whoosh, he
Wham,
just
huh?
sucked it right up.
Get a look at him. Nice fish.
Hi, buddy.
Nice big trout. Keeper size for next
Scared
year.
me to death, dude.
Okay.